Good morning, guys. Right now we are on the shuttle bus, like the one within the scenic area, to go into the air grassland. The ride, I heard, is about 40 minutes. Usually, if you come during the prime time, which is July, August, it gets very, very, very crowded, but we can have a glimpse of what the real beauty is like, because I've heard that this is the #1 Greenland in all of China, not only Xinjiang. So we have to check it out. I cannot wait to show you. We're at 2,000 meters elevation right now. It's this big, flat Greenland. It's very, very beautiful. We arrived at the destination that I really want to go. I want to show you this bridge. So there are a few ways to go there. You can ride a horse or you can walk there.
It's really just beautiful here, guys. So I'm on this most Instagrammable bridge here. I will show you what it looks like. Yes, it's definitely much prettier in the summer, but I think during the fall, or this is the beginning of winter, it's got the vibe here as well.
Wow, it's breathtakingly beautiful here. Just imagine if the sun is brighter today and not as cloudy. It's already so beautiful. I give it a 10 out of 10. The animals are also very happy here. There are lots of goats, lots of cows, lots of horses. This is where the bus stops. We walked all the way to the back. Guys, the sun finally came out. The scenery is just unbeatable, honestly, unbeatable. The prime time to come here is June, July, August, even late September is okay. Right now it's October 12th. Actually, it's still green, but it's not like green like you will see in the summer. And also that bridge that we took pictures at, usually when it's prime time, it's about 30 minutes wait to 45 minutes. My friend who came in July, he waited for 40 minutes, and you can also take a horse to go there. But if we walked, it was only about 20 minutes or less. Yeah, I mean, honestly, that's the reason why people name it the Switzerland of Asia or China, as we are still quite close to all the other neighboring Central Asia countries. This part of the land is kind of untouched, if that makes sense. All right, so we also just found out that you can drive your own car in here. It is 200 RMB per person, but this way you don't have to wait for the buses inside the scenic park. I do think it is a good alternative, especially in the summer, because there is a wait for the bus as well during peak season. That's a good option.
Guys, I found out the name. Nalati is a Mongolian word. It means where the sun rises. So this place, the whole air grassland, means it's where the sun rises. It's totally meaningful, and I totally get this name now. Hi guys, sorry for the quick interruption. As you can see right now, I am not in Xinjiang. I'm actually in Samarkand, Uzbekistan, at the world famous Rajasthan Square. So I wanted to let you guys know that my website is live now. If you have any questions about traveling in Asia, especially Hong Kong, Macau, and China, you need a simple transfer, or you want like help with your itinerary with multi-city or just one city, you can email me at info@travelwithjanelle.com, and or you can just visit my website, and also you can DM me on my Instagram, Go with Janelle. It is my work IG, so go follow there, and you will be able to reach me there as well. And of course, you can go to my website and click on the WhatsApp link and just WhatsApp me directly as well. So I don't want to interrupt any further. Enjoy Xinjiang!
because we have a pretty long road trip. We have to catch the train at 8:30, so we don't have enough time to sit down in a restaurant. So we got KFC, perfect. Not every single meal has to be local, so that's just how I travel. Sometimes, like, we should indulge in what we really want. And for today, it is KFC. Actually, we bought it yesterday as a snack before hot pot. We had 3 bottles of wine in the car yesterday. All right, 3 bottles. Now we're opening another bottle of white while we're on the way to the train station, looking at this absolutely breathtaking scenery. I mean, honestly, I am not lying to you. This is a place you must come for yourself because, you know, videos or like pictures or even drone footage doesn't do its justice. You have to see it for yourself with your own eyes to tell the true beauty of this place.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
黑头羊，黑头羊，
哎呦，
娘娘啊，
哎呀 ，so cute。哎呦呦，哎呦呦，哎呦呦，哎，哎呦 ，hello，hello。We are on the way to Kashi. It is just actually part of the journey. The whole ride will take 4 hours and 53 minutes. So guys, this is my first experience taking a old train in China. It's not the high-speed rail, so let's check it out. They are different prices. There's the soft one and the hard mattress. Cannot wait to show you. It is definitely an experience because this is crazy. All right, so we have tried to make this as comfortable as we could. We have disposable bed sheets. We are here only for 4 hours, 43 minutes. And our driver, who is our guide, Connie, is going to meet us there tomorrow morning at about 2 p.m. She's going to drive all night. Although this is a very, 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 very old train, different from all those high-speed rail that you guys always see on my channel. But I still think this is it is still a good option if you do not want to be in the car all night or whatsoever, as it's very, very cheap. Yeah, it's old. It's different. It's not those business class high-speed rail that you think it is. But for local people, it is a good option. We're going to be visiting the canyon tomorrow afternoon. It spells AKSU. So now, let me take you to the cart where they sell food and see what are the options so you guys can check it out and think about it. But I brought my own cup noodle, as you guys know how much I love cup noodle during this type of situation. And also, this is the other flavor. It's also my favorite, the black Korean spicy noodle. Oh, there are fruits at least. That's good. This looks great. Where do they sell food? Oh, okay, over here. We are trying to make ourselves feel better, okay? But we are very comfortable now. You can tell with our own bedding. But I guess for a family of 4, if you can have your whole cart, then it's okay because you can have 4 beds and you can close the door as well. So you do have your privacy if you are like a family of 4 or a party of 4. So guys, I got my cup noodle. Seafood flavor. So seafood flavor. So one good thing about the train or high-speed rail in China, the water is boiling hot, no matter if it's the new ones or the old ones, because Chinese people love hot water, and some people bring their own food. So, but they do also sell cup noodle here, but just not this brand. They sell like a Chinese beef and chicken flavor. It's the Howard Johnson, a regular room. Not that special or anything, but at least it's kind of spacious, I guess. It is already 1:49 a.m.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Tomorrow I'll be going to a magnificent canyon that I cannot wait. So I will see you guys next week. And thank you so much for watching again. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.